Apply sequin on return stitch. With this tool, when we have used any sequin style in the object, we will apply the area-wise sequence in the style. Sequin will be added on the stitch where we have added the sequin. Here, we have some style object and one line object. Select the line object and press Apply Sequin in Area button. Here, you can see, sequin has been added in every stitch. Now, if we want to add sequins in style, where it has been added, open Application Properties, and click on Apply Sequin on Return Stitch button. Then press Apply Sequin in Area button. Here, you can see, sequin has been added, where we had already added in style.